This is a kind of a funky road out here. As you can see, they've got some construction going on, and we are approaching Pratt Whitney Aircraft Group, which is where I worked, from the west. And this is the other direction from the way that I used to come into the facility when I worked here. So I'm a bit unfamiliar with this exact piece of road right here, but it looks to me like this is intended to be a two-lane road, but because they've got construction going on over here on the left, they've stopped traffic over there and they've diverted people over onto this side. So this has now become a two-lane road, or one lane depending upon how you look at it. So anyway, moving along here, just bear with me for a little bit and we'll get you down to the facility. This is the first time I've ever been out to this facility on a motorcycle before. And this was some years ago that I worked out here, and I have not been back more than 2 or 3 times over, I don't know, say, well, last year I worked here was 1992, so you can go ahead and do the arithmetic. If you want to call it 1990, that would be 10 and 18, 19, that would be 10 and 19 would be 29 years minus 2. It would be 27 years ago was the last time I worked out here. Imagine that. But I feel a lot better now. I've got a full tank of gas, so I'm not concerned about that any longer. This is literally out in the middle of the boonies out here. But I always considered it a great privilege to work for this company. I always considered it a great privilege to be able to come out to this facility on a day in and day out basis and make my small but nonetheless important contribution. So we're going to be coming up on it. I'm sorry this truck is in front of us. I cannot pass here as the road is oncoming lanes, one going in each direction. And they've got maintenance going on the other side. But we'll be coming up on the facility on the right-hand side. It'll be on the same side of the road as us. And when we go past it, we'll pick up Route 711, I believe it is. Rusty on the route numbers. But I know we have to go by the facility first. And then our next junction will be on the left. And that's Pratt Whitney Road. This is Route 710 East, otherwise known as the Beeline Highway. I'm expecting the facility to be coming up on the right-hand side any time now. It's been so many years since I've been out here that I'm so unfamiliar with the area that it's easy for me to go by things and not even realize it. We've got a good wind blowing here. Palm Beach drag strip is on the left, And we're going to be seeing Pratt Whitney coming up shortly on the right-hand side. Main entrance. The main entrance is the next signal. That's the facility out on the right there. You can't go in, it's a guarded entrance, but I don't know if you can see that at all, but that's Pratt. It's very secluded. There it is right there. There's a security post right there. You can't get in. But that's the facility, guys, and like I say, Pratt & Whitney provided me with a very good living for a lot of years, and I'm very appreciative to them for the opportunity that I had. And we're going to be taking a left up here on Pratt & Whitney Road, which will take us out to Indian Town Road. Here we go. And this is the way I used to come every day when it was quitting time. I used to come out this road and say to myself, wow, what a day I just had.